Air conditioner, axial flow fan deflector in a hole, flanging punching machine. This equipment is suitable for flanging, punching, curling and other processes of fan products and cylindrical products. It has the characteristics of high production efficiency, wide applicability, stable operation, smooth flanging and no burrs.